Testimonials on product websites or websites where you use the service can be great for backlinks because sometimes they'll put your website underneath your picture, your name, saying that you like the product. So if you do a search on Google for leave testimonial and then you put your keyword. So here I just did technology, and there's a lot of different options. And basically you're looking for websites where they have the web address underneath the name. So you'll see underneath this lady, Nina Marte, she's got a website, right? Down at the bottom, 1250 Solutions. So sometimes it's beneficial just to buy a product or use a service so that you can leave a testimonial. And what you can do is use this little red no follow button up at the top to see whether or not these links are do follow. And nothing happens. So that means they are do follow. That means this website is going to pass on its page rank, its benefit to you. If it wasn't, you would have seen it highlighted in red like this. This is what most blog comments are no follow, meaning they're not going to pass any benefit onto your site, even if you put a link in your name. But this site, no red, so passes on. It's good. Here's another website I found from that Google search, and they have links under their names as well. And we can use the same no follow button, and we see there's no red around them, so these are do follow. So you would click on leave testimonial and then leave testimonial. Same thing here, Illini Tech Services testimonial. Click on it, do follow, right? No red. So testimonials are a great way to get some backlinks.
So I wanted to show you the SEO book toolbar for Firefox because it has a lot of other really cool features that you can play around with besides the no follow button. But just in case you happen to be using a Chrome browser, you can do a search for Chrome no follow, and they have an extension. It'll show up at the top of the results here. You just click on the no follow from the Chrome Web Store, and then you're just going to click at the top right, add it to your browser, and it'll show this little red outline around the no follow links. So if you go to a typical blog comment section, some people will leave links in their name or their picture or in their post, and you can see the little red outline it creates for it. So just another option in case you're not using Firefox.